The coiled spring is a mechanical device that stores potential energy when compressed or stretched, which can then be released to perform work. It was first invented in the 15th century and has since undergone numerous improvements, leading to a wide range of applications in various fields. The coiled spring has had a significant impact on the world of engineering and manufacturing. It is used in a wide range of products, including watches, cars, toys, and medical devices. The coiled spring has also contributed to the development of more advanced technologies, such as the spring-powered clock, which revolutionized timekeeping in the 16th century. One of the most important applications of the coiled spring is in the field of transportation. The invention of the automobile and airplane relied heavily on the development of efficient suspension systems that could absorb shocks and vibrations, and the coiled spring played a key role in these advancements. In terms of improvements, there have been numerous advancements in coiled spring technology over the years. Modern coiled springs are made from high-strength materials that can withstand greater stresses and strains, allowing for more efficient and reliable performance. There have also been efforts to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly materials for coiled springs, such as using recycled metals or biodegradable polymers. One potential improvement for the coiled spring is the integration of smart sensors and control systems. This could enable more precise and efficient control of the release of stored energy, allowing for better performance and safety in various applications. There is also ongoing research into new shapes and designs for coiled springs that could further improve their performance and expand their range of applications. Overall, the coiled spring has had a significant impact on the world of engineering and manufacturing, and there is ongoing research to improve its performance and sustainability. As technology continues to advance, there is potential for even more innovative uses of coiled spring technology in various fields.